guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, quick drone flight this afternoon. It's going to be a quick one because we've got some guys just up there want to fly the plane. So right, watched one of JD Quad's video the other day. On the highly unusual chance that you haven't checked out JD Quad, I suggest you go and do it. It's all about signal loss and 5G. Well, I'm looking at this. Item number showed 5G. So I'm getting signal loss at low altitude, and that's probably why, because I'm flying too low. So we're going to test it out today. Give him a quick flight, and I'm going to keep him around about 20 meters high and see how she does. So let's get on with it and test him out. I know, look at the state of it up here, but right, there we go, guys. So the there was only slight breakup in FPV relay, flying at 20 meters and 30 meters. None at all until I got about 60 meters away. So that's pretty cool. I forgot the put my screen recorder on, but it records to the phone anyway, so maybe we can show that. So there we go. Hopefully chuffed for that there, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.